Hello, this is Untangled by Olivia. I'm going to show you how to fix a mistake. There's three ways that you can make a mistake while you're crocheting. One way is you accidentally skipped a stitch, or you did a stitch with no beads, and then you continue and you'll see that the pattern won't look correct. Easy way to fix that, and also the other way would be maybe accidentally putting two beads in one stitch. That mistake is actually easy to fix because you just unravel until you get back to the spot where you missed a stitch or you added too many beads. And then you continue crocheting. The harder one to fix is if you accidentally put, let's say for this one, I have two purple beads when I'm only supposed to have one. So the best way to fix it is first take the bead that you're supposed to use and go ahead and crochet that into your project. So we're going to do purple, purple. This is the rigid method. Pull it through both. If you're doing the soft method, you remember just pull it through the stitch and then yarn over and pull it through twice. So now I have this extra bead. The only way to take that out is to grab your scissor and cut it. The thing that I hate doing the most is cutting. I cut about 3 inches away. Pull out the offending bead. And now we just have to tie a knot so that we have the next one blue. But before I do that, I don't want to lose this stitch. The needle could fall out at any moment, so we're going to put a little, this is my marker, my knit marker, put that in there, keep it from coming loose. And then I grab my awl, A-W-L, awl, pull this thread back, line up the string ends, doesn't have to be perfect, just close. I'm going to wrap it around my finger, put the awl through, or you can use a crochet hook, but whatever you need to do to pull this string through that loop. And then this is important, put your awl in as you pull. Now what you want to do is have a knot as close to here as possible. If you have it on an awl, you can actually just pull until you're at where you want your knot to be. Also, if you make a mistake, you can loosen this when you have an awl in it. It's hard to do without it. So I'm going to pull again, pull it down. Pull it down. That's pretty close. Now I can take my awl out, tighten up that knot. And now you have a knot really close to the thing. We're going to pull on our marker, slip our crochet hook in there. Hope I didn't pull the knot too tight. Am I using the same? Nope, using the wrong crochet hook. We got to use this one. That was the big one. I'm going to put it through this loop. And then take my marker out. And now you just continue, but with putting this string, make sure it's on the inside of your circle. That way, as you crochet, you can hide the string, hide your mistake, so no one will ever know you missed it. And we're going to go to the next color, that's blue. So we have blue, slide the blue on, yarn over, and pull through both. Wait, before I do that, let's undo it. Our string is still on the outside, so let's pull it here this way. There. Hold that in place with your thumb. Put it through the right, yarn over, pull through both. Once you have the string kind of secure on the inside, you can cut it to make it shorter. Don't cut it any shorter than 1 inch. So that's about an inch away. If you cut it down here, I guarantee that knot is going to unknot. But 1 inch is good. That's usually enough. And also, it's easier to hide. So if I just keep crocheting, as I crochet, it'll go up, 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 and then this tail will disappear. And that's it. That's how you fix missing or too many beads.